Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. If you are looking to download a VPN, then I'm gonna show you how you can download Hotspot Shield, which is a very old and popular VPN service for free. For that, let me quickly open browser. And now we need to visit following link and just hit enter. I'm gonna provide you this link in the description of this video. So if you see here, you will not find any such option. You can only see option of free trial, and then this will take you to this page. You do not need to visit this page. Simply open this page, the one that I have provided you, and then click on download free. Now what this will do is this will download this Hotspot Shield basic setup to your system. Now let's wait for this to get downloaded. Now there we go, we have successfully downloaded it. Now let me make a double click on it to install, and then I'm gonna click here on install, and it will start installing this Hotspot Shield. Now let's wait for a while, and there we go, we have successfully installed this Hotspot Shield. Now here you can see it shows us the message, your privacy comes first and it does not store any log. Just click on OK. Then you can either go through it or you can click on skip, and there we go. Here you can see I am not logged in, and you can see the type status as free. You simply need to click on connect, and in this way guys, you can get a VPN for free, and then you can use it for up to 500 MB I believe. Let's also perform speed test and let's see how good this VPN is. So obviously we will see drop in latency. But in terms of speed, I would say 40 Mbps is decent enough. Let's also try doing speed test in normal speed test website. So this is the result of its inbuilt speed test, and now let's see how it performs in speedtest.net. And the performance is almost similar, or even surpassing the previous results. So I would say you are getting a decent speed with this VPN, but with a limitation of you can only use for 500 MB. So that's how guys we can install this Hotspot Shield VPN for free in Microsoft Windows. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, and I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, you take care and bye bye.